Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a virtual tour of a property here at beautiful Smith Mountain Lake. We're going to be touring 149 Shad Run Drive in Moneta, Virginia. This is in the neighborhood of Striper's Landing, and it is a gorgeous waterfront home. So we're going to turn the camera around and show you what this home looks like. So here we are, a little bit sunshine today. You got the lake sparkling in the background. So we're going to concentrate mainly on the inside of the home today and take you on this virtual tour. The home is on an incline, but a gorgeous, gorgeous home. So enter as we come in. Got a dining area here to your left. Open concept great room and a beautiful kitchen. Nice appliances, Bosch, an induction cooktop, granite countertops, Bosch microwave. And we have a laundry room right here off the kitchen. And here you've got the rest of the great room, overlooking the lake. There's both an upper deck and a lower deck. And you've got views to the left of the sunrise and views to the right channel for the sunset. Down this hall, we've got two bedrooms, one on each side. This one faces the lake. Nice and spacious. This home was custom built in 2016 by builder Craig Karen and has a lot of great features to it. This is a like new home, well maintained. Like I said, just built in 2016. This room is set up like a cute little toddler bedroom. And here we've got a full bath that these bedrooms share. Back into the great room with cathedral ceilings. And we're going to go to the other side of the home, and you'll see this is a primary bedroom on the main floor, and there's also a primary on the lower level as well, so you can take your pick. I love these big corner windows because you overlook the lake and you know, in both directions. Makes it bright and spacious. And here you've got a full bathroom. Very nice. Overlooking the lake. They chose not to have a bathtub in this master, so we've got a stand-up shower, nicely done with tile and frameless glass showers. And if you go straight out that door, you have a garage, two-car garage, and there is a bonus room over the garage. I won't show you that today, but you can envision a bonus room is totally finished as far as carpeting and drywall, but does need just some heating and air if you wanted to condition the space. So, pardon me as we go down the stairs. And as you enter this lower level, it really feels nice and roomy because the ceilings are high. I'm guessing, I think about a 10-foot ceiling. But nicely done here. And they've set this room up as an office. So how nice would it be, right? To be sitting here and doing your work and overlooking the lake. These corner windows. And you have a patio door here that goes out to the cart path, which goes down to the water. You've got a sitting area and some retaining walls, and I'll show you that in just a moment. So as we continue down this lower level hallway, you've got bedroom number 4 here that also overlooks the lake. And there's beautiful LVP flooring in this lower level. Got the storage area there under the stairwell. And here you've got a rec room, this lower level, with a custom wet bar with a beverage fridge and a wine fridge. And you've got a second gas fireplace here on this lower level. And then as I pan to the right, you'll see there's another full bathroom. Every cabinet in the house, too, by the way, is custom made. And most have granite. Now we're going to go to the lower level master bedroom here. It's nice and spacious. This is a king bed. So you could wake up here in the mornings and see the sunrise here as you see the lake. And then you've got another primary bathroom here with a nicely done tile shower. And a huge walk-in closet. All stacked storage. Nicely done. Out here we've got a lower level deck overlooking the lake. And it is covered, so it would be waterproof for rain. We'll go outside here, give you a glimpse. So down here we can see the boat dock. There's another path here. So they've got a series of retaining walls here in the backyard. And if you lived here, you would want a golf cart or a mule or gator, whatever they call the vehicles, to come up and down the cart path. And the house has a fabulous dock. It has a 2-slip boat dock. One side is currently set up for 2 jet skis, and there's a large swim floater. So for all of your lake enjoyment, the dock is all Trex, brand new. So that concludes our tour of 149 Shad Run Drive. Come on out today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to show you this lovely waterfront home on Smith Mountain Lake.